Don't miss this great vehicle. It's equipped with great features. You'll want to take this vehicle home. Make a great choice today. Visit the dealership today and see this vehicle firsthand. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, roll stability control, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, cruise control, multifunction display, child safety locks, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, power steering, one-touch windows, 2, compass. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.